Hi, welcome back, and let's continue our Unit 3. This is Lesson 2 in Connect Plus 3, Unit 3 and Lesson 2. Let's see what we have in Lesson 2 from the slide number 3. You will see here a bottle and a cup of water, okay? And you are going to see arrows coming out of them. So this lesson is about the importance of water, okay? So water is very important for our heart, for our skin, muscles, bones, and blood. So let's see what we have in this lesson. Next slide. If you open your book, page 33, you will find something about the water and why do we need water. Of course, you know water is very important, so let's listen and read together. Why do we need water? All living things need water. Animals and humans drink water. Plants get it from the soil in their roots. Okay, so all living things, including human, animals, and plants, they need water. Okay, we all know water is good for us, but do you know how important it is for our health? Our blood is about 82% water. Our blood is about 82% water. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients around the body. And we eat food, and it breaks down into nutrients in our stomach. Water helps with this. So water is very important to soften the food and to break it down into small pieces or maybe into paste to be able to be digested into the body. And it also helps carry the nutrients around the body in our blood vessels. Okay, so our blood contains 82% water. This is the first information you have. So if you go to the next section of this article, you will see our brains are made up of about 75% water. Our brains are made up of about 75% water. If you drink enough water, your brain works better. If you drink enough water, your brain works better. If you don't drink enough water, you get dehydrated. Okay? You feel tired and you don't have a lot of energy. You can get a headache or find it difficult to think. So it's important for your brain to drink enough water. When you are hydrated, it means that you are getting enough water. So we have two opposite words today, hydrated and dehydrated. And later we are going to see a picture explaining the meaning, okay? Also, water, it's good for your joints. We have joints everywhere in our body, and the joints makes your body move. Your bones and your body temperature too. So the water is very important for our blood, for our brain, for our joints, for our temperature too. It makes our temperature balanced. Okay, the last section of this article about water. Water also helps your body to get rid of toxins, take away the toxins of your body. Okay. And helps the other organs in your body to work well. So the toxins are bad things inside the body. It get inside the body from the food, from the air, from anything. So if you drink a lot of water, so these toxins, it will be away or out of your body. Okay. The last paragraph says children should drink about 1.5 liters of water every day. So you should drink 1.5 liters a day of water. Most of this should be pure water, of course, but we can also get water from other drinks such as milk, tea, and fruit juice, and fruits and vegetables. We should drink more water in hot weather because we lose water when we sweat. Okay, so as I told you before, water is very important for your blood because 82% of your blood is water, 75% of your brain is water. So if you drink a lot of water, you are going to keep yourself from dehydration, which losing of water. So keep hydrated all the time, or drink enough water all the time to not to be dehydrated or losing a lot of time. And you keep so you are not going to be tired if you drink enough water. You are not going to be having headache. So drink enough water is very important for you, for every part in our body, even for our temperature to be balanced, not very hot, not very cold. And also we have to drink water to keep the toxins away of our body. Okay, next slide. Now you are going to see the new vocabulary, which is hydrated and dehydrated. If you look to the picture, you will see a boy drinking water and another boy sweating from his, I think he is walking in the sun, he doesn't drink water and he sweating from all of his body. So this one sweating from his body, he's losing the water from his body, so he is dehydrated. But if he drinks water, he will be hydrated, okay? So hydration is getting enough water. Dehydration, losing this water. Okay, next slide. You will know that another meaning of another word is joints. Joints. What are the joints? Look at this picture and you see the yellow parts of, in your body. You see these yellow spots. It's everywhere in your body and it connects all your bones, so you can move with these joints. Okay, next slide. You will see the toxin. This is the meaning of toxins. All the bad stuff, we don't need it in our body. So maybe sometimes you get it from food, sometimes from the air. Okay. Next. This is the temperature, and we have two kinds of temperature. The temperature of your body, this is the degree of the hotness and coldness of your body. And of course, you know, in the first picture, you see the doctor is measuring the temperature of a person in front of you. Like nowadays, we do this when we go, when we enter the school, we measure our temperature. The next picture is for the weather. And the weather also can be, the temperature of the weather can be measured too. Here you can see sweat. You see the girl under the sun and she is sweating, like you see. She's sweating, she is losing water, or the sweat is the water coming out of your skin in the hot weather, and you need to drink water to keep your body hydrated. Okay, next. We are going to the important part of this lesson, which is the grammar. Our grammar today is about giving advice. How to give advice to someone. For example, we use should and shouldn't to give an advice, so we can say, you look sick, you should see a doctor. You shouldn't talk loudly to your teacher. Let's have more examples to understand more. Next page, please. Okay. Now, let's read the examples together. You should eat healthy food every day. You should eat healthy food every day. You shouldn't eat cookies every day. You shouldn't eat cookies every day. If you want to ask a question with should he eat some food with carbohydrates? Should he eat some foods with some carbohydrates? If we want to answer, yes, he should. Yes, he should. Should he sleep for 5 hours daily? Should he sleep for 5 hours daily? This is unhealthy, so no, she shouldn't. No, she shouldn't. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you understood it. Study well. Bye-bye.